Too much do we have? It's time to let go. 5 items, I say, or more also. Hi everyone, welcome back to a Creatively Crafted Life Spring Clean Challenge. And yes, you'll see scissors again. And I'm sure you're asking, but we already did scissors, and that is correct. Today's challenge, if you listen to the rhyme, is all about purging 5 items from your stash. And in this case, I am choosing to get rid of 5 of these scissors. So the other day when I was cleaning them, I realized I just had way too many. And I definitely had my favorites, and these other ones I just never use. So while I still have plenty of scissors, these ones I think it's time to let go. So I highly encourage you this week to find 5 items that you can also let go. This isn't meant to be a full-on deep purge. If you have the time for that, that's great. But really, it's just take a quick look around your space, and if you've got duplicates of things or something that you can't ever seem to find a home for it, maybe it's time to let it go. Let me know below what items you are purging, and until next time, happy cleaning.